Hey everybody and welcome. Today I have the Apple AirPods 4 and I'm going to tell you how to fix that your microphone isn't working on your MacBook. It's a really quick fix. At first you have to click on this Bluetooth icon on the top right corner. Here, Bluetooth settings. Now you have to be sure that you are connected to your MacBook with your headphones. And now you have to click this info icon near your headphones. And here, as you can see, we have connect to this Mac. We have to select automatically over here, not one must connect to this Mac. Apart from that, we have to connect to our headphones. And after that, we have to go into our AirPods 4 settings over here. Here, if you scroll a little bit down, you can see microphone. Here, as you can see, automatically switch AirPods. Here you have to select automatically switch AirPods because you might have using your one only right earpod, and if you had your AirPod in your ear, your microphone have been working. As you can see, we have to automatically switch AirPods. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.